Hi guys, and welcome to this week's episode of Miss Planet. We are so glad you could join us. This week's project request comes from Stacy, and she writes, "Hi Miss Planet." Hi Stacy. "I'm an event planner and a subscriber to your channel and website, which I love watching." Thanks, Stacy. "I am already working on a September wedding, and the bride is having trouble making up her mind. She has two color choices, silver or white, or possibly ivory." Stacy, we understand sometimes it's just hard for those brides to decide. What she does know is she doesn't want any flowers for the wedding or reception, and that includes the bouquets. Her overreaching decor theme has been chosen as pearls, bling, rhinestone, glam, and candles for both the wedding and the reception. My request is for the bridesmaid bouquet ideas. I was hoping that you could help me with a pearl bridesmaid bouquet that would be cost effective. I've seen your channel and I feel you can pull it off. Well, guess what, Stacy? That is exactly what we did. We have created a beautiful pearl bridal bouquet, and we hope that it hits all the right notes for that very picky bride. So let's get started with this week's episode, Pearl Bridal Bouquet. All right, guys, let's go. So our first step is going to be to attach our large straight handle bouquet holder to our 5-inch styrofoam ball. I'm just going to simply use a paring knife. You could use a styrofoam cutter, but I feel like the paring knife gives you more control. I'm going to cut out the center section of it so that I can fit the large straight handled bouquet holder right in the center. Next, we're going to use these 10mm white round pearl embellishment stickers to cover the base of our handle. Now, I always add a little bit of E6000 to it just to make sure you don't lose any of those beautiful pearls on your way down the aisle. To finish it off, we're going to add ivory pearl balls to the base. Let's add a little touch of princess to this beautiful pearl bouquet. I'm going to do that by cutting about anywhere from 5 to 6 inch strip of organza ribbon, and this is 5-inch organza ribbon. And we're going to fold it in half and then simply fold it like a fan. Next, we're going to attach it to the base of our foam ball using floral pins. Don't worry about the pins showing. I'm going to show you how to cover it up. Now, please make sure that you pull that organza down so it covers where our handle and our ball are attached. So we're going to use pearl balls to cover up the floral pins as well as the space in between. To create the fullness that we want, we're going to attach a second row of organza. I call them petals, but this time we're going to use about a 4-inch piece of organza ribbon. Same steps, fold it in half, fan it out, and attach it with a floral pin. Don't forget to fluff it to give you that beautiful princess effect. Using the same pearl balls, we're going to go ahead and create a border for our pearl embellishment. So here comes the fun part. We're going to go ahead and take apart this ivory berry cluster stem. We're going to keep the stem at least a 1/2 inch using a little bit of E6000 on each one of the stems. You're then going to attach it to your foam ball. I always start with the center pearl and then I just fan out all the way around. You can do this. It's so easy. It's just pushing a pin and a foam ball. You got this. this bouquet, you have options. You know how I love to give you guys options. Now, you could keep it this very simplistic, beautiful pearl bouquet, and it will be a showstopper, trust me. You can also add a little bling to that thing, zhuzh it up a bit. So I'm going to show you how to do that. First, we're going to create a embellishment using just a very simple button or buckle. And all I did is take the button. I'm going to attach some floral wire. This is 22-inch gauge floral wire. Just going to attach it with a little dab of hot glue, let it dry, and all of a sudden you have an embellishment that you can insert into your foam ball. So that's the first thing we're going to do. I'm using 4 buckles for this extra zhuzh. So first I'm going to attach a brooch. This is a brooch I paid maybe $3 for at my local craft store. And what I did is I used the pin part and put it directly into my foam ball. And then I just made a little hook out of the same floral wire to attach it on the other end so it won't flap around. Then I went ahead and added 3 of my embellishments to one side and 1 to the other side, kind of making like a flower arrangement. Just think of it as a flower arrangement. Don't worry though, no matter what direction you decide to go, this bouquet will be a showstopper. Well, Stacy, what do you think? Do you like it? Do you love it? Do you think it'll pass your bride's inspection? We sure hope so, because we had an absolute blast creating this beautiful pearl bridal bouquet for you. Thank you so much for allowing us to be a part of this event. I'm sure it's going to be absolutely stunning. If you like this video, go ahead and like us, subscribe so you can be the first to know when our videos are posted every Wednesday. Head on down to the description and you will find the links, both United States links as well as international links to the project supplies, in addition to the project cost. Also in our link is our wonderful directions on how you can sign up on Ebates, where you can save money while you spend money. No better way. You can also find a link to our newsletter. I know a lot of you love our blogs, and this is a way to make sure you don't miss a thing that MissPlanIt is doing. So all of those wonderful links are in the description right below this video. Just click on that little triangle or upside down arrow, however you would see it, and it will send you right there. In addition to that, you can click on the tab that will send you to our project requests. It'll put you right over to our website, MissPlanIt.com, where you will click on the project request tab and follow the very easy steps. But guys, do it quick. Our production schedule is almost full for the year. So we'd love to help you. I hate telling people no, so head right on over there and sign up as quick as you can. We have some wonderful and exciting things coming up soon. I cannot wait to share them with you. We just want to thank you all for taking this time to spend with us. We know you have many options, and so we are so grateful that you choose to spend your time with us. You can also follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Pinterest. And don't forget, when every penny counts, guys, count on MissPlanIt. Take care. See you soon. God bless.